Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to compress a video file using this Handbrake software. You can Google Handbrake here and then open this handbrake.fr website, and from here you can download this software, and it is completely free to use, and you can check the other platforms. Typically you will need this exe installer or this zip package. So I have already installed it, so I'll not be downloading it. This is my Handbrake software after installation. And to compress a file, you need to click on this open source. And from here, you have these two options. One is folder and file. If you have multiple files to compress, you can choose folder, or for a single file, you can choose file. So I'll compress this single file. So this is going to be our input file, and the size of this input file is 12.8. So I'll choose this and then go to this video tab. Here you need, it is by default 22 this quality, and towards left, if you move it, it will reduce the file size. So we'll make it 23. And in encoder you can choose this X265, which is the latest one, and it helps better to compress the file. But definitely that increases the time a bit as compared to this 264. And also, if the file size is large, it may take some time. It mainly depends on the processor and the file size. Here we can change the output path, and also we can choose the format MP4, MKV, and here the path we can choose. So I'm going to keep this file in the same folder where our input file is. So I'll name this. This is going to be output. Okay, now we are done, and now let's click on this start encode. Now once we click this, we can see the progress at the bottom in the software. It will show you the percentage and also the remaining time. Because the file size is really small, like it is 12 MB only, so it will take only a few seconds. And it is done now. We can open the output folder. Here it is. Now you can see the input file size was 12.8 and output file size is 5.51. So we can see the output file size is less than half of that input file. So this is really cool. And now I'll show you, I'll play the file and I'll show you the quality. So this was our input file, and now this is the output file. Okay, I'm not able to see much difference in terms of picture quality. It looks same to me. Okay, so we are done compressing the file. So this was a really simple tutorial to compress a file, and I'll cover all the features of the software in the next videos. So thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you.